Hi all, Professor Anup Mathew here. Today we have a closer look on the opportunities with online Python course. We know that Python is a general purpose programming language used for web development, application management, machine learning, AI and data science. Since majority of the IT jobs falls under these categories, learning Python will give you a competitive edge to land in an IT job quickly. Since physical labs are not that much needed for a software training, it's advisable to opt for an online Python course from a credible course provider. But you should make sure that the curriculum meets the requirements to get a job in web development or AI or machine learning or in the bigger job provider, that is data science, so that you can search jobs in all the companies that deals with any of these domain expertise. It's obvious that a PG program in Python that will make your resume stand out from the ordinary job seekers. So opt for a Python PG program offered by IIBM India that gives certain advantages over other online programs. After the completion of the Python PG program offered by IIBM, they provides internship to the learners also. And the majority of the companies prefer to hire a candidate who has completed a PG program in Python with an added advantage as an internship. Apart from that, the IIBM placement assistance cell makes your job search easier. In short, if you are a graduate with IIBM PG certification and internship certificate, along with the help of placement assistance cell from IIBM, make you ready to land in a desired job quickly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye from Anup.